Hi, I'm Betsy from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble Stage 2, the floor seat, on the Graco JumpStart 4-in-1 activity bouncer. For floor seat mode, push the side buttons down and slide the frame to the lowest position, marked with a 2. Next, place the floor seat attachment into position 2 by pulling out each side and twisting back. Then, unfasten the elastic loops under the seat and extend the seat flap out entirely. Next, line up the seat attachments to the notches in the frame and press down until you hear a click. Finally, pull the fabric down to the front footrest. Lift the footrest to snap the buttons into place. Now you're ready to use the floor seat mode.